Hello, this is Kaisal Tamimi from Datamation Limited, introducing you to the first of our demonstration scenarios on our Universal Information Platform, or UIP. In this example, we have a bank with a number of disjointed systems or silos, each supporting a different product. For instance, we have current account A, current account B, mortgage account, etc. The sort of situation most of the large companies end up with, particularly those that have got that have grown through mergers and acquisitions. We have two objectives in this example. The first one is to create a dynamic and holistic view of corporate data across all products and all customers to feed into reporting and analytics to support existing business processing. The second objective is to use that holistic and dynamic view to form the foundation on which a migration of the old systems can be taken to a new platform. The thing what we do here is to extract or synchronize a subset of data we need from each of those systems into what we call a volume. A volume is a subdivision of the UIP database. The thing to remember here, the format or the data model in each of those volumes is exactly the same as in the source systems. So we do not do any translation or transformation which can introduce errors and other problems. The aggregated model, on the other hand, will be defined in such a way to support the downstream business processes. So what the format or data model and the aggregated model may be different from each of the individual source systems. So now we move to the demonstration itself. What we've done here is already connected created a master model for each customer and connected it to all the products that they have. So let's choose one. In this case, by the way, all the data and all the names are fictitious. There is no real data in this example. This fictitious Jack Davis happens to have 4 accounts. So if we select one of them, we'll see the data that we have on that on Jack Davis in the mortgage account, and here in the current account A, and so on. The connectivity between the master model and the individual data coming from the source system is bidirectional. So, and what I showed you earlier is how we move from the master model to the individual source systems. I can do the reverse and select another one record in current account 2 and get data. In this case, we have John Roberts. John Roberts happened to have only 2 different accounts. The connectivity in this case, as I say, is bidirectional. We can also have start from the address itself and select that and see who lives at that address. We can extend that who else live at this address, but this is not part of the demo. But hopefully this will show you that we can create connectivity from different directions to allow us to have multiple navigational routes to the same data. Thanks for listening.